Hey guys, welcome back to NextGenBlogger, and in this video I want to show you how you can apply the Sepia effect in VSDC Free Video Editor. Now before I demonstrate this tutorial to you, let's just first understand what a Sepia effect is. So a Sepia effect creates a reddish brown color which is particularly associated with monochrome photographs of the 19th century and early 20th century. And what this effect will basically do is that it will apply a reddish brown color on top of your image as well as video. So that's the whole theory in general of the sepia effect. Now let's see this effect in practical. As you can see, I've already imported a demo image in the editor, as well as I've also imported a demo video, and I will apply the sepia effect to both my image as well as video. So let's get started with the image. Now double click on the image in the editor and go to video effects, adjustments, select sepia and click on OK. Now before I make any changes inside the sepia effect settings which is present inside the properties window, what I would really like to do is I would like to decrease the duration of my sepia effect like this, so that whatever changes I make inside the sepia effect settings is clearly visible and understandable. Now look inside the sepia effect settings. So there are just two options inside the sepia effect settings: grayscale mode and levels. So if you click on this drop down list inside the grayscale mode, we have three modes: average, lightness and luminance. Now I worked with all these three modes and I did not find any major differences between them. So you can use any one of these modes as per your choice or need. Personally, I like the luminance mode. Alright. Now the second option which is there inside the sepia effect settings is the levels option, which is currently set to 0. So the range of levels option is from 0 to 128. Alright. So the minimum value which you can write inside this levels option is 0, which is currently written, and the maximum value which you can write inside the levels option is 128. Alright. So let's just play this video. Alright. So this is how my image is looking originally. And this is how my image is looking when the sepia effect is applied. Notice the levels is currently set to 0. Alright. So if I just increase the levels from 0 to let's say 64, as you can see, a reddish brown color has been applied on top of my image. So again, let me just quickly play the video from the start. This is how my image was looking originally, and this is how it is looking after I've applied the sepia effect, where the levels is currently set to 64. Now, as I said before, the maximum value which you can write inside this levels option is 128. So let me just write 128. So this is sepia effect at levels 128. So this was how my image was looking originally, and this is how it is looking after I've applied the sepia effect, where the levels is currently set to 128. Now one thing which is there to notice is that this is constant parameter value. So if I just change this to linear parameter change, I will have two values, 128, 128. So fill the values 0, 128 inside the levels option. And now let me just play the video from the start. So as you can see, there is a gradual change of color when the sepia effect was applied. Alright, so if I just quickly increase the duration of my sepia effect to the whole duration of my image, so now if I play the video, you will see a gradual change of color. Notice the color which is there right now at the start, and a totally different color will be there at the end. So let me just quickly play this video for you. There's a gradual change of color happening on the screen. So by the time the video ends, That's it. As you can see, this is what a sepia effect does, and it's the same with video as well. So let me just go to my demo video. Let me just double click on my demo video, go to video effects, adjustments, select sepia and click on OK. The options are already set. So if I just quickly play the video for you, you will see a gradual change of color on top of my video. Perfect. So this is how you can actually apply a sepia effect in VSDC Free Video Editor. Do share with me your thoughts in the comment section below, like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will again see you in the next video. Till then, thanks for watching.